What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples regarding special product formulas that we saw in previous video. And these special product formulas consist of binomial squares and difference of squares. The first one is 2 plus root 3 to the power of 2, and as you see here, this one is binomial squares. So it means that that's the same as a plus b squared. And we said, I proved that for you, but a plus b to the power of 2 is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 2 plus root 3 to the power of 2 is going to be first one squared, second one squared, and 2 times the first one and times the second one. 2 squared, root 3 squared, plus 2 times the first one and times the second one, which is this one. 2 squared is 4. Root 3 squared is 3, and 2 times root 3 is 4 root 3. The answer will be 7 plus 4 root 3. Next example is 4 minus 2 root 5 squared. Answer is, again, is a minus b squared, which is going to be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, or a squared b squared minus 2ab. So I have here 4 squared plus 2 root 5 squared minus 2 times 4 times 2 root 5. Then it's going to be 16. The second one is going to be 4 times 5, which is 20. And here we have 16 root 5. So 16 plus 20 is 36, minus 16 root 5. That's the final answer. Next example. We have 10 plus root 2 squared. Again, based on a plus b squared, we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or a squared b squared plus 2ab. We have, for 10 plus root 2 to the power of 2, will be 10 squared plus root 2 squared plus 2 times the first one and the second term. 2 times this and this. 10 squared is 100. Root 2 squared is 2. And then 2 times 10 times root 2 is going to be 20 root 2. 100 plus 2 is going to be 102 plus 20 root 2. Next example, we have 1 plus 3 root 6 to the power of 2. Answer is, it's going to be, again, based on a plus b squared. We have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, which is going to be 1 squared plus 3 root 6 squared plus 2 times 1 times 3 root 6, which will be 1 plus 3 root 6 to the power of 2. So it's going to be 3 squared is 9, root 6 squared is 6, plus 2 times 3 root 6 is going to be 6 root 6. Then it will be 1 plus 54 plus 6 root 6, which makes it 55 plus 6 root 6. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.